Here in Laikipia, we are looking at how they can support our innovations around this area. So in terms of production of equipment and PPEs and other necessary facilities for the management of COVID. And we're also looking at increased testing because the reality is that the national testing capacity remains constrained. For instance, now it's taking us many more hours to be able to get results. And we must consider the use of the GeneXpert machines.
We have spent 237 million shillings. This is the first consignment. We are distributing it to 68 public hospitals, and you're one of the first to receive. And the Kenya COVID-19 Emergency Fund Response chose the hospitals where the biggest need is. And this is one of the hospitals, and we've distributed ourselves in order to present this to you. We are going to be at it for the next 18 to 24 months or for as long as it lasts, because our team leader, James Mwangi, led from the front. He contributed 300 million shillings. Equity Bank contributed 300 million shillings. We leveraged Mastercard Foundation to give us 500 million shillings. So we have 1.1 billion shillings kitty. And I can assure you the price point we have achieved in buying this equipment, which is of the highest quality.
We are aware that already there have been 9 cases, with 1 death and 2 have been discharged. And already we have had engagements with the County COVID-19 Emergency Response Task Force, and really would like to applaud the county government for the efforts that have been put in place. The European Union is made a decision to finance AMREF, to finance 9 counties COVID-19 Emergency Response Program through AMREF. This is worth 2.5 million euros across the 9 counties. And what you focus on is to really support the county in the foundations they have already built. So for example, in our conversations with the governor and the CEC and the county CHM team, it is very clear that in Laikipia we really need to ramp up testing and build testing capabilities. We need to strengthen home-based care.